Hello students, today we will start the fifth chapter of our chemistry, which is acids, bases and salts. Students, these acids, bases and salts are not confined to our books and laboratories only, but are in our daily life, in our soaps, in our foods, in our digestion, we can say in every aspect of our life. Therefore, it is very important for us to learn this chapter. This chapter will consume our 5 lectures at least, and first lecture will be based on indicators, second acids and their chemical properties, third will be bases, their chemical properties, fourth pH and its importance in our daily life, and fifth will be salts. So students, we will start our first lecture, which goes as indicators. Students, indicator is derived from a Latin word indicare or indicare, which means to indicate. To indicate. You can take its dictionary meaning, indicate. What does indicate mean? Point out, to show anything. Same is the case with this indicator in our chemistry. It is anything which undergoes an observable change when its medium changes. What does that mean? This means if we take an indicator and drop it in any solution, this indicator will go under an observable change. There will be a change in this indicator, which will show us whether this solution which we are testing is an acid or base or a neutral solution. So we can say also, indicator is used to indicate whether a substance we are testing is an acid, a base, or a salt. So it is same. We have an indicator in our switchboard which tinkles whole night. Why is that indicator present in that switchboard? That's only to indicate that our switchboard is located in this wall of the room. And in darkness, if we have to turn on the light, switch on the light, we will easily locate this switchboard. Same is the case in our chemistry. This indicator indicates us, points out, shows us whether a solution is acid, base, or a neutral solution. So if somebody asks you what is an indicator, dear, you will tell him it is any substance which undergoes an observable change when it is dropped, when it is put in a solution of acid or base. So students, indicators are natural or synthetic. Natural indicators are those which are available to us, which are provided to us by nature. For example, we have many examples. Litmus, it is a natural indicator. Turmeric, natural indicator. Onion, natural indicator. Vanilla, red cabbage extract, these are all natural indicators. And synthetic indicators are those which are prepared artificially, which we prepare in laboratories, which include methyl orange, phenolphthalein. So indicators are of two types, natural and synthetic. So let us discuss the nature of these indicators one by one in brief. If we take the example of turmeric, and we are here to test whether a substance is acid or base, how can we check it with the help of this turmeric? Students, if we drop turmeric in base, its color changes to red. And if we drop it in acids, its color remains as such. Means if we are given a solution, we don't know it is acid or base, and we are given turmeric, and we are asked to test it whether the solution is acid or base. How can we prove it? We will take this turmeric and drop into this base, this solution. If its color changes to red, then it is base, and if its color does not change, if it remained as such, then it is acid. Okay, students, same is the case with this onion. If we take peel of onion, piece of onion, you know it has a pungent smell, its characteristic smell, and when we drop this piece of onion in a base, its smell vanishes, its smell gets destroyed. And if we drop it in acid, the smell of onion remains as such, it does not vanish. So onion is a natural indicator and indicates us whether a substance is acid or base. And third example is vanilla. If we drop vanilla in bases, its color gets vanished, and if we drop vanilla in acids, its color remains as such, no change occurs. Onion and vanilla are the examples of olfactory indicators. Olfactory indicators. Olfactory means in which smell of anything is involved. So let's take third example, that is methyl orange. Methyl orange gives red color in acids, yellow color in bases. Phenolphthalein gives pink color in bases and remains colorless in acids. Litmus. Another example is the natural indicator, which is obtained as a purple dye from a plant lichen. Lichen is a plant from which this litmus is obtained. So it has purple color, and when it is added to an acidic solution, its color changes to red. Before it is purple, and when it adds to acid, its color changes to red. And if it is added to basic solution, its color changes to blue. It is very common indicator, litmus indicator. This litmus is used to prepare two types of papers, two colored papers. One is blue litmus paper and other is red litmus paper. These litmus papers are then used to check whether a solution is acid or base. When we test a solution by blue litmus paper, and if blue litmus paper changes into red, then it is acid, and if the red litmus paper changed into blue, then it is base. So we can say acid is changed blue litmus red, base is changed red litmus blue. These are our indicators. So we can say at the end, indicators are the substances which are used to indicate whether a substance is acid or base. Thank you. So wait for my next lecture, which will be based on acids and their chemical properties. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.